Hello, if you are there and you struggle twisting your own hair, like you don't know how you will start twisting it and you really want to do it but you just don't know, I have a simple way that I usually twist my hair. And you know what, this was simple twist, they usually help to grow your hair at the same time. And also, if you want your twist to stay longer, you can go ahead and put them in a ponytail or a bun. Just collect them together and tie them like that, and it's going to stay neat and it's going to stay longer. So just stay tuned and see the simple way that I usually do this with my own hair. So first, I ensure that my hair is really clean and really moisturized. My hair right now, it's a bit damp, but it's moisturized. It's all having flaxseed gel which I made by myself, and I'm also adding African shea butter just to ensure that my hair is really moisturized. The flaxseed, they help the hair to stay just straight, like you're not going to have any struggle with the combing or anything. It keeps the hair really straight. So first, I shall go ahead and separate my hair for easy twisting. So I'm going to section my hair into smaller sections that I'm going to make the twist. In those sections, I'm going again to add the flaxseed gel. So I'll just be adding the flaxseed gel in each section like that until I complete the full head. And to every section I'm holding it with a rubber band. So I just hold my hair like this into separate section with rubber band so that when I begin twisting out I go very fast. But if you don't have a rubber band, so you can just go ahead and start twisting directly without separating like this. Or you can use something like a thread as you like. For me, this usually works for me better, so I do like that. Then I do the other section the same way. Then when I complete, the twisting will be very simple now. The funny thing is that most of the time I don't see even what I'm doing at the back side of my head, but I just do it, but it usually comes out nice. I don't see the back side of my head actually. I'm just doing it and trying to check if it's correct just by use of my hands, but I don't use the second mirror to see the back side. But I usually try my best to make sure that I come out with something visible. So I'm done with separating the hair, and now next just go ahead and twist. So to make this twist simple, I usually use the thread, a very small thread, and I usually have two types of thread. First type of thread is Brazilian wool, and the second one is knitting yarn. So I usually choose the one that I have. You can use the one that is available, and it's going to help you hold your hair if you don't know how to hold your hair nicely like me, because I usually get challenged by holding my hair. I don't know, but sometimes when I fix without holding with the thread, it comes out quickly, so I prefer doing like this. Just twist downward, like I wrap around a little bit and then I start twisting out. That way it helps me to hold my hair very well so that it doesn't come out easily. and also it helps to stay a bit longer than if I could just use the hair without holding with the thread. And so the thread that I'm using, it's not longer than my hair. I just make it the one that is exactly the same length to my hair. But my hair is broken to the ends, that's why it's gonna be like at the bottom is thicker and at the end thin. So I think I'm going to trim my hair because it's broken. The ends are not the same. So I have to trim my hair. I don't want to use the braids extension or the thread, but I'm just using a little piece to help me hold the hair. So all I'm using is just my entire hair, but with a little thread inside, so I can moisturize my hair with some water every day. Like I spray the water on my hair every day, or put some oil if I want, because the hair is much more than the thread that I put inside. So the thread is only for holding my hair, to help me to hold the hair. I've been using different areas where there's no light, so this is the end result in the light. You can see how it's looking like. I just love the result. See how it's looking like. But I cannot stay my head like this, so I always go ahead and just put them in a bun. Put them together like that, and that's how it looks like at the end. Thank you so much for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel for more. Share your thoughts in the comment section with me so that I know what to do next. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in my next video.